more.
So Jamie, why is it you just shut up every time I turn round?
I'm scared.
Pigs, cows, horses. Pigs, cows, horses, sheep, ducks, chickens. There's only actually, how many numbers is there? 6.
6 what?
There's only actually 3 farm animals if you think about it.
No, there's not.
Oh, there is.
3 farm animals.
Ian has a shocking revelation at
Pigs.
the
Right,
table.
no, you got your pig,
Yes.
you've got your sheep, and your sheep is what is called a fluffy pig. Okay, so that's one. And then you've got your you've got your cow, and then you've got your horse, and your horse is what you call an athletic cow.
Yes.
And then you've got your chicken, and then you've got your duck. And your duck is a chicken that's been taught to swim.
What about donkeys?
That's 3 donkeys. They're retarded horses.
And there's, what do you call them? Turkeys.
You don't find a donkey on a farm.
Yes, you do.
Which farms have you been on?
The farm in Belfast.
Oh, the Belfast farm.
Streamvale Farm. And they also have turkeys.
What is it over there? What?
No, turkeys.
They have turkeys.
Turkeys and lambs.
Turkeys.
Goats. Goats.
What's a
Goat. Something that you fuck. Frogs. Frogs. They got frogs and frogs. No, foxes. Dogs. They've got dogs and farms.
Yeah, but
cats.
they're brought on
Cats.
Cats.
Just admit your theory is wrong.
It's not three main. Okay, we're going with mainstream farm animals. There are 3.
Turkeys.
Not a mainstream.
Geese.
Not mainstream.
Yes.
All farms have at least. What was the list again?
Cows.
Cows, pigs, chickens. They've all got at least one of them. The other ones, they come and go.
What about turkey farms?
Turkey farms will still have at least a cow, a sheep, a pig, sorry, or a, yeah, they will.
They're turkey farms.
Yeah, but there'll still be another animal there, just a bit of diversity. Everyone loves the diversity.
What's diversity, Jamie?
It's an old wooden ship.
Sorry, what?
I believe it's an old wooden ship used during the Civil War period.
Okay, I'm not sure the network would be worried about the lack of an old wooden ship, Jamie, but...
Fair enough. I love them.
As you can see, the fit barmaid. And now we're zooming back to Ian because he's got something interesting to say.
I love you, Dad.
And Jamie.